Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you are all handling things better and that you're healthy and happy and enjoying in as much as possible the circumstances we're in. I did this video to give you a more direct reference on how to answer exercise 9.3, which seems to have given some of you a bit of a problem answering it. And what I am going to do is, first of all, I thank those of you who did submit it, and in case you didn't, this will help you. I will read it out for you the same way I would do if I was in class, and I'll try to find some points along the way. Now we're talking about exercise 9.3, which is a recap or a review on App Lab concepts. I will follow the instructions that you see on the screen. Download the following document into your computer. I'm giving you more than one version of the same document in case one of them doesn't open for you. But they're all the same regardless of which one you open. Okay. This is, I gave you more than one version of the file, but they're the same. Because sometimes Macs will open documents that PCs may have a hard time, Windows may have give you a hard time opening them, or vice versa. Sometimes they open better in Windows and Mac will give you problems. So I'm trying to cover all the bases here. And I'm going to go for, we have one for the current version of PowerPoint, the older version of PowerPoint, Word, current version, an old version of Word. I am going to go for the Word formats. And if I'm on a Windows computer, which I am, I just click on it, and if you look down here, it gives me the download. I open it, and voila, here it is. Let me close the next one. And what this is you will find the parts of the App Lab screen, some of them, not all of them, they're connected with an arrow, and there's an open box in it. And all I need for you to do is to tell me which part of the App Lab screen is this, which one is this, what does a math do, what do the functions do, what are the UI controls, etc. And you're probably wondering, how am I going to remember this? And this is the reason why I gave you, we go to step 3 now, 3 reference videos that will refresh for you or recap for you the parts of App Lab. And I suggest you to see them as many times as you need to. They're short, they're very brief, and they will explain App Lab in a way that hopefully will make you remember. And I'm not going to go into them right now because that's what I need you guys to do. Another thing that may help you is go straight into code.org, which I will do right now because I have it. And you sign into your account, has a number, and it lands into the My Dashboard part. And once you're in your dashboard, you go to your course, you open it, and you can start it from there, and you will also see what you've done so far. So you have a lot of references you can follow in order to answer this assignment. If this is not impossible as a task, all it requires from you is 10, probably 15 minutes to review the videos. This one's about 11 minutes if you see the whole thing. This one's 6, that's 17, and I apologize, this one is about 7 minutes, so about 20 minutes of video, round it up, which you may not even need if you remember it, but the information that you need primarily will probably be refreshed in your memory when you watch the videos. If you feel the need, also log into code.org and go straight into the App Lab. And you click on design and you move in and out of the different screens and it's all there. But I think the videos are the better source of information. It can be done. You just need a little bit of patience. Get in touch with me if you need anything. I'm always around. I do live chats, and I'm always online and available. Just drop me a question in the Teams page, and I will, the chat page for your Teams group, and I will answer it. Keep in touch, stay healthy, stay indoors, and above all, try to have fun doing whatever you're doing. Spring break is right around the corner, and God willing, we will all be back before we know it. So, God bless and stay healthy.